Berlin is the capital of Germany and one of its 16 states. With a population of approximately 3.6 million people, Berlin is the second most populous city and the seventh most populous urban area in the European Union. It is located in the northeastern Germany on the banks of rivers Spree and Havel. Due to its location in the European plains, Berlin is influenced by a temperate seasonal climate. Around 1/3 of the city's area is composed of forests, parks, gardens, rivers, and lakes. First documented in the 13th century and situated at the crossing of two important historic trade routes, Berlin became the capital of the Margraviate of Brandenburg, the Kingdom of Prussia, the German Empire, the Weimar Republic, and the Third Reich. Berlin in the 1920s was the third largest municipality in the world. After World War II, the city was divided. East Berlin became the capital of East Germany, while West Berlin became a de facto West German province, surrounded by the Berlin Wall and the East Germany territory. Following German reunification in 1990, Berlin was once again designated as the capital of the United Germany. Because of its culture, politics, media, and science, Berlin is considered a world city. Its economy is based on high-tech firms and the service sector, encompassing a diverse range of creative industries, research facilities, media corporations, and convention venues. Berlin serves as a continental hub for air and rail traffic and has a highly complex public transportation network. The metropolis is a popular tourist destination. Significant industries also include IT, pharmaceuticals, biomedical engineering, clean tech, biotechnology, construction, and electronics. Modern Berlin is home to world-renowned universities, orchestras, museums, entertainment venues, and is host to many sporting events. Its urban setting has made it a sought-after location for international film productions. The city is well known for its festivals, diverse architecture, nightlife, contemporary arts, and a high quality of living. Over the last decade, Berlin has seen the emergence of a cosmopolitan entrepreneurial scene.